Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my dressing room, so come on in. As you first walk into the dressing room, I have a section just for dresses. Above that, I have a few extra shelves from IKEA where I like to put my extra purses. Then to the right, I have a shoe case. This is actually the Billy bookcase from IKEA. I like it because you can customize the height of each shelf so that you can put specific types of shoes on there, so taller shoes, flats, sneakers. Then to the right of the shoe case, I have hanging space for my tops and then also for my bottoms. For the tops, I try to organize them by color group. Sometimes it gets a little bit out of order, but that's the general way I like to organize them. For bottoms, I have jeans in the front, skirts in the middle, and then more sporty tops in the back. The hangers that I use for my bottoms are from the Container Store, and then the velvet hangers for my tops, I usually get them from Bed Bath & Beyond. I have some gray ones with rose gold metal that Mike got me as a gift. I think he got them from TJ Maxx. This chevron bust we got from Hobby Lobby, and I just like to put my necklaces and my belts on there. It's an easy way for me to see what I have. I think that's super key, especially with trying to ensure you don't buy the same thing over and over again. Next to that, I have my vanity table. This is a really old desk from IKEA. I've had it for many, many years. I recently shared my everyday makeup and hair routine, so if you are interested in that, I will link it in the cards for y'all. Moving on to the other side of the room, this setup is primarily from the Container Store, and the two bookcases are from IKEA. This side was definitely the more expensive side. I did try to buy all of the Elfa Container Store components on sale whenever they would do like their 30% off, but it was still super, super expensive. So in hindsight, I probably won't go that route again, but it worked out for this section here. I had a section for all of my coats and longer sweaters, and then in the middle, right above the drawers, I have a bunch of my blazers and jackets. I travel quite a bit for work, so if you don't watch my vlogs, then I will link them in the description box. I do a lot of travel to Europe, so that's why I have my luggage right there. And these drawers are from the Container Store. I just have my undergarments in there, and then also my gym tops and bottoms. They have this hanging rod at the Container Store. Actually buy that and put it on one of your closets just like that. It kind of gives you this store feel. I thought that was kind of fun. Moving on to the island, so Mike actually built this for me. I know, y'all, I am so grateful for that man. He just helps me out with creating my visions. Anyways, I have this all in a blog post as well. Mike loves going to estate sales, and that's actually where he found these really cute side tables, probably around 8-9 years ago. I love them so much, and on top of that is just a sign that I got from Home Goods. I really like that saying, that's why you should find your personal style. We also mounted this extra TV on the wall. If you watch my videos, and you probably see, I like to watch The Office, Bones, all the other jazz on that TV while I get ready. Some of the little details on the island is this little wooden carving of Juicy. One of Mike's co-workers' wives actually did that. I always intended to get some kind of top for the island. I wanted like a mirror finish, but that just didn't happen. I still think it looked nice. These little dishes are from Kate Spade, and I just have some of my more dainty necklaces on there, as well as my earrings. And then I have a little spot just for Mr. Louie. I bought him after I finished my Big Four internship about 10 years ago. These drawer pulls we got while we were in Boston at the local TJ Maxx, and then just a couple of other decor pieces we've gotten from random different places. And probably my most favorite part of the dressing room is this gorgeous chandelier. I found it at a local lighting place called Lee's Lighting. I love that the lights are kind of hidden behind the crystals, and we use candelabra LED bulbs, and it gives off the most beautiful white bright light. And that is my completed dressing room. I am so sad to have left this gorgeous, gorgeous room, but I am so excited to start fresh in our new home. I will link a video that I did 4 years ago so you can kind of see the progress that I've made with this room. It definitely took time, and I had inspiration from a couple of different sources. So in Jen's life, she definitely inspired me with how she put her dressing room together, as well as an old blog that I don't think is up anymore, but is on Instagram as Coffee Sundays, I believe. I'll link them both in the description box for y'all. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to see more home decor and design videos as we build and move into our new home. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.